Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more of ERD's repairs. This 600 horsepower Eaton motor control, shown running one of our many test motors, is used in a plastic injection machine that makes the fabric used in adult diapers. The motor control failed our customer, but luckily they had a spare installed so that the production would not have entirely shut down while we made our repairs. We rebuilt this motor control to take the spare's place, and then tested the VFD on our largest test motor, all within a couple weeks, and it performed as expected. ERD has an extensive experience working on large horsepower motor controls, sometimes all the way up to 4,000 horsepower, and we can repair from either in our facility or on site if necessary.